easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
G'day guys, welcome back to another PC build. This week's PC built inside of the Thermaltake Level 20 GT case. This normally does have a tempered glass front panel, but of course we took it off for the video and the photos, so there wasn't a lot of reflection in the video. This week we went with the majority rules in our live stream, which was orange. So we've got the orange liquid cooling inside and of course the orange cables to suit. We were going to set all of the LED lights and fans and things like that to orange, but the RGB actually looks really nice reflecting off of the tubes because we've actually got a clear orange inside instead of like an opaque type of coolant. Speaking of liquid cooling, all of the water cooling here is provided by Thermaltake. Big thank you to Thermaltake for all of the support that they do provide. I'll leave all parts to every single spec and water cooling gear in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so of course by using them you do help us out greatly at no cost to you, so it's much appreciated if you guys can help out that way. And speaking of helping us out, we also have a Patreon if you guys do want to go contribute. Just $1 even helps us out a bunch, and we've got a couple of people who already do that, so thank you very much for the support. Now back onto the hardware. We do have an Asus motherboard inside, supported with a Ryzen 7 2700X CPU and an Asus Vega 64 GPU. Now these are very high-end specs, AMD's highest end specs as well, so this is not going to slouch in games, rendering, or anything like that. Good streaming PC as well, because the 2700X has extra cores and extra threads to help with all of that. The power supply is from Thermaltake. It is their RGB power supply, 850 watts, plenty for this system, and plenty of headroom as well to keep it going. All of the liquid cooling, you can see that we went for parallel tubes rising to the top, and then we've got a bit of a tube run happening up the top because there was enough space to achieve that. So it's quite a unique look. We actually have done this type of look before. That was with a cooler master case that we did back for Computex 2018. So we made a custom acrylic panel to go up the top for the pass-through fittings to go through. And then of course we've got all of our acrylic tubing up the top and a nice viewing window to view that as well. For the brand, we do have the Teamgroup T-Force Delta in white, as we did want to incorporate a bit of white into this system. Hence why we also went for some white fittings as well as the black, because this primarily is an orange, white and black system. So I've got 16 gigs of DDR4 running at 3000 megahertz. Plenty for latest games and titles. For the storage, we do have an M.2 SSD 500 gigs. That is from Adata, or their gaming brand, also known as XPG. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed this PC build. It is a nice clean loop. Not too much custom work, just a bit up the top and all of the custom tube runs and things like that. So I hope this was something that you guys enjoyed. Remember, I will leave all of the links to all parts used in the description if you guys wanted to check them out, help us out on Amazon. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, we've got lots of custom PCs, reviews, modding tutorials, and much more on the channel. So we'll see you guys in the next one.